Hello everyone, Namaste and welcome back to my channel. If you are new here, then please take a moment to subscribe to my channel and hit that notification bell so that you are always informed and notified whenever I upload a video. And if you are already subscribed, then thank you so much for doing so. I love you all. Today's topic is a hygiene topic, my absolute favorite topic. And as you guys must have already guessed from the title, today I am going to talk about toilet seat sanitizers, how to use them and what it does. But before we start talking about the product today, I want to clear a few gender stereotypes here. Whenever we talk about a toilet seat sanitizer, either you're talking to someone or you're just seeing an ad on the TV, why do we always associate a toilet seat sanitizer with females? My question is why? Let's begin and do some analysis, shall we? Does men stand and poop? No. Do they come in direct contact with the toilet seat while doing the process? Yes. Do they also have to go when they have to go? Yes. Do they also use public bathrooms? Yes. Are they exposed to the same germs and bacteria as we are? Hell yes. Then why this unnecessary stereotype associated with toilet seat sanitizers? I have no idea. So as we females, it's our utmost duty and responsibility to encourage our husband, our brother and our father to use toilet seat sanitizers because they also do use the public bathrooms. Guys, the lockdown is already over and most of us have started moving out. Either it's office, I know schools and colleges are going to open soon. Our kids are going to go to school, kids are going to go to college, everyone do use a public bathroom. So I urge each and every one out there who's watching this video to always keep a toilet seat sanitizer handy and develop such hygienic habits irrespective of your gender. Today I want to talk about this toilet seat sanitizer in particular. This is Everteen toilet seat sanitizer. Oh, it's raining outside. It's a very rare sight these days. So I was talking about this Everteen toilet seat sanitizer. Trust me, I have used a bunch of seat sanitizers and this one in particular is a lot better than the other ones. Why? Number one is the fragrance. I tend to spray a lot when I use a public bathroom. I spray it on the toilet seat, I spray it on the faucets, I spray it on the door knobs, on the taps, on the flush lever, everywhere. So there is a lot of spray inside the bathroom and usually other sanitizers, the smell is very harsh and it somehow gives me a headache. But this one has a very mild fruity fragrance which I really like. And that's the least we can do for the next person who is entering the bathroom, right? And the second reason is the price point. This costs 185 rupees and you get 90 ml of product, which is very affordable in comparison to other toilet seat sanitizers. Now let's see what the product has to say. It says it's safe, effective and instant. Disinfects toilet seat, covers, flush lever and faucets. How to use it? Shake Everteen toilet seat sanitizer spray can like we shake any can bottles. Hold it upright and spray affected area at elbow length distance, which is around 10 inches. Wait for 5 seconds to allow sanitizer to evaporate before using the toilet. It is as simple as that. You don't have to wipe it clean, you don't have to do anything, you just have to open and spray. That's it. And you can spray it wherever you feel the need, wherever you feel you are going to touch or you feel that particular place is not hygienic, you don't know how people have used it. So just spray it and wait for 5 seconds and it's good to go. Guys, there is a very important precaution also mentioned on the bottle which says, do not smoke while spraying. I know a lot of people have this habit of smoking inside the bathroom. Please be very careful, do not smoke while spraying it. Because this has alcohol, as we all know, any sanitizer has alcohol, and keep it away from source of ignition. Please ensure that you are not smoking, you are not holding any cigarette in your hand, there is no source of fire, and you can just spray it first, give it 5 seconds and do whatever you want to do later. So please keep this important precaution in mind. So guys, it is very important to take every little precaution during this global pandemic where hygiene has become the most important thing. We have to sanitize our hands constantly, we have to sanitize, we have to ensure that we are sanitizing and we are touching a surface which is clean and free of any germs and bacteria. and it is a high time that we develop such habit so that this helps us in future. And we have to also educate our kids and other people in the house, like our domestic help and everyone, to develop such habits so that our family and we are always safe. Precaution is in our hand, results are not. So let's do our bit. Thank you so much for watching my today's video, and I hope every one of you are going to develop this hygienic habit and keep a sanitizer, a toilet seat sanitizer handy. Please use this product and do let me know in the comment section how did you find it. I'll see you guys with a new video very soon. Bye bye.